Hello friends, did you know that a laser beam can destroy a drone or power it with energy? Yeah, it goes both ways. A high energy laser beam could act as a weapon against a drone, burn sensitive parts of it, or sever the communications connection, leave it uncontrolled by its operator. The same high energy laser beam, if you focus it on a drone, it can fill it with power. The idea is simple. If a drone was fitted with a photoelectric conversion module that converts light energy into electricity, a high energy laser beam could not only track it, but also power it remotely. The idea. A beam of light from the sun hit your house solar panel can provide you with heated water, or with right module can provide you with electricity. Simple as that. Applying this idea means you can remotely charge your drones when needed and fly it forever, so to speak. Currently, there are weapons that delivers up to 300 kilowatt of laser energy to a target, developed using high-energy liquid laser area defense system (HELADS), also known as CERAN, not using fiber laser, but liquid laser. Liquid lasers are similar to solid-state lasers, uses crystal or glass as gain media, but they use cooling liquid that flows through channels integrated into the solid-state laser material. A crucial trick was ensuring that the cooling liquid has a refractive index exactly the same as that of the solid laser material. A perfect match of the liquid and solid could avoid any refraction or reflection at the boundary between them. Avoiding reflection or refraction in the cooling liquid also required making the fluid flow smoothly through the channels to prevent turbulence. Managing such high intensity of the laser beam energy can have great impact on how to supply power to the future drones or destroy enemy targets.